Alright, you already know the valve. We gotta start the video off with that cold start. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, guys? We back with another video, and this one I got a nice little collab right here. We got my car out here today, and we got my boy Raven. Y'all can find, I'm gonna tag his Instagram and YouTube right here. But he got a wide body Hellcat, and that joint looking dangerous. Look at that purple, that black and purple go hard. So he called the car Raven, so you know it makes sense. He got the purple lights with the purple Hellcat logo on the front. Oh, there go YouTube right there, Hellcat TV.
I think you would have to.
But yeah, this joint clean, bro. Look, he got the purple stitching on the inside as well. Them Hellcat wheels, that wide body go crazy. And then he got the purple Hellcat logo on the back. If I'm not tripping, these are purple exhaust tips right there too. That's nice. That's a nice little hint. And then he got the purple painted Brembo calipers right there. Oh yeah, we gotta see if we can get a ride in this joint. And it's crazy though, cause the pink Floyd kind of go with the car too. And then he got the lights on the grill. That joint go crazy.
That whole reaction in there where I was like,
dang, y'all, that's crazy. And then we got modern red Hemi. Y'all saw his video. He got his size on this time. Look at them replicas right there. He got more fatty tires. Look at that. Fatty tire. So he actually just posted a video with RT Life where they went to the drag strip and they was racing. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you click on his link, go to his channel, check it out.
You can find used one now for about 70 something.
my boy pays 60.
Yeah.
He pays 65 or 60.
Those are numbers I can't get into. I'm not there yet, but when I get to the point where I can, y'all talking big boy money. I can't get over. I can't get over there yet. Hey, look, I'm gonna go chill over here in the 20,000 real quick.
I'm gonna tell you what I tell a lot of people, dog. You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah.
Like I started with a '93 Grand Marquis, man.
Yeah.
When I was in Baltimore riding around doing my thing.
Yeah.
And I done had so many cars, bro. I done had probably about 18 cars. You know what I mean? But each way, I just kept working my way up. Working my way up.
I started with a 99 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider.
Yeah.
Leaky ass roof. Brakes didn't work.
Yep.
You know, I kept taking it back for the brakes, and one day I said, all right, honey, that's it. Not what I need.
Caprice. That's what
91 Caprice?
91 Caprice. Then I got a V6 Charger. Then I got my RT. Then I had a 300 V6. Then I got my RT. So now I'm trying to get me either one of them.
Yeah, you got a good start, man.
Yeah, no, I started with an 05 Impala, and I had that for like 1 year. Then I was like, you know what? I do YouTube. I need something better, so I got the RT. I mean, I was ready. I had the Impala just like as a car, just to have it. Yeah. And I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna get a car, it's gonna be a car that I want, and also it's gonna be for my YouTube as well.
Right.
So
it took me 2 years to get that car. Yeah. 2 years. 2 years of ending up.
That's what's up.
You know what I mean? So,
yeah.
It can happen, bro.
Y'all already know about my channel. We do the dash interviews, so we definitely gotta get him on the channel. Y'all already know, so expect his car to be in the Do the Dash interview coming soon. We gonna try to set it up before it get too cold or too crazy out here. And you ready for that?
Definitely down.
All right, baby. So I'm gonna have him explain a little bit right now, not too much, just a little bit, give y'all a little taste of it, and then when we get that video, we gonna be official. So yeah, just give me a rundown real quick of like what you got.
All right, a quick little rundown. First, car ceramic coated. It has a partial 3M wrap. It's all on the front. Partial fenders. You can see the line right there. It's lowered on HR springs. Calipers painted purple.
Yes, sir.
Hellcat painted purple for the Ravens. Got my banners on here.
So make sure
my
y'all
Instagram.
Let me get it here. Make sure you follow him on Instagram right there. And then his YouTube, subscribe to that channel. Right there.
And I got the purple exhaust tips, carbon 5-inch exhaust tips.
So how you get that? You had somebody like custom made that? Or they
yeah.
wrapped it?
So what I bought the regular black carbon tips, and then I took them to a spot out there in Washington, and they painted them for me.
Okay, cool.
Plum crazy.
Yeah, that J definitely is crazy.
Then I got the cat plum crazy. I did the deluxe tank myself. This used to be purple, but it faded in the sun. Now it's blue. I don't know why. Like, got the inside. You can see the mats. They from Matte Metrics.
Yeah, them mats go crazy.
Got the purple on it.
That purple go. Oh, I ain't even peeped the purple on the.
I was at 70-some degrees in the middle of November.
That's.
So I got the purple knobs, purple cat on the push to start with the carbon fiber. I put these on. Put the purple on there.
Okay.
Got the purple in the cup holders, the little inserts right there.
Say less. That's all we gonna get y'all. We ain't gonna get y'all too much. That's it. That's it.
Only gave him a taste.
Only a taste.
Only a taste.
Just a little bit. But
You get just
oh
the
man,
taste.
that's crazy. Hey, that's.
But look, anybody can get one of these, man.
Yes,
Do
sir.
not think you can't get up to a Hellcat. Like I told them, man, I worked up from a 93 Grand Marquis. And now I got a Hellcat, man. Took a long time. Just keep grinding, you get there.
Save that money, man. It's all
That's
about
it. Get there.
saving and waiting for the right
Saving and
time.
grinding. Exactly.
And
And
get
talk-
that credit right.
And get that. Oh yeah, that.
Get
Nah,
the credit right.
I'm on them about
Credit
that
is
credit.
key.
I'm
Credit is key.
500 credits.
I'm on them. I'm on them
Yeah,
about that
yeah,
credit. Hey, I be.
Hey, what's wrong with the 500 credit score?
Ain't gonna work, bro.
What do you mean my payments are $800 a month? Well,
It's
your
gonna
dang
be $800
interest
a
rate's
month.
25%.
Yeah.
Of course, your payments are
Hey,
gonna be
$800
$800.
That's a steal. Shit.
Hey, look,
Where that's at?
that's a lease. That's a lease for a Hellcat payment.
How much?
800 for one of
I'm
those?
just saying.
That's a fucking steal. I need
Yeah.
it. Tell me your source. Like,
Yeah, you get one of them.
I wasn't thinking about the Hellcat. I was just talking.
That's about 1,200.
I'm about to say, I fucked
minimum.
up, man.
You might get lease one for about 800-900.
But you can't. Yeah, you can't really do nothing if you lease it though.
Yeah.
Way better.
So that's why I'm going with the 392.
Yes, sir.
I don't know.
How much boost you running?
We're gonna see, but I don't know.
Hemi Muscle in the 392. Hey,
Wide body.
if you ain't subscribed to Hemi Muscle, make sure you check him out. He's literally the main reason why I got an RT and everything related to my RT, pretty much. I was in his comments like every day, yo, how you get that? Let me get that. Where you get it from? So,
Appreciate it.
so that he definitely motivated me to get the RT, and you know, cause he had an RT, but now he about to get a scat. So it's about to. Ooh, I ain't say that. He ain't.
It's all good.
So yeah, stay tuned. I got his channel on Instagram right here. Make sure you subscribe and follow him and all that fancy stuff.
Cooks on two
Appreciate it.
betters.
Yes, sir.
Get that Pro Charger line on there.
Oh yeah, yes sir.
Man.
Hold on.
Okay.
Oh God.
Got a little wine. Got a little cheese in there too.
Sir, the man of the hour. Grizzly, Mardy, you already know. Baby Yoda on the shirt. Hey, you watch
yeah.
episode 2?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, bet. Yes, sir. I mean, what's the record? It's like 3-0?
No.
Nah, 3-1?
3-1.
3-1. 3-1.